in this video, I'll show you how to set up from the very beginning your Vizio TV. This way we'll go through all the menus, all the settings. It will be easy, and in just a few minutes you'll be good to go and you'll be using your TV. So let's get started right away. First, when you open the TV after you unbox it, you should see this screen after you power it on. By the way, the power button on a Vizio TV is usually under it, sometimes on the left, sometimes in the middle, or even on the right side. So just try to find the power button to power it on the first time. Then we'll have to select the language. We're going to select English. By the way, I'll use the remote control that looks like this one. Enter is the middle button here, and then you can go up and down, left and right using this circle. So I'll select English. Now it's time to connect your Vizio TV to the internet. So select your Wi-Fi network from the list presented. And now type the password, again selecting one by one. If you have numbers in your password, you can actually use the numbers on your remote control instead of typing it with the keyboard on the screen. Once you have typed your password, select Submit on the lower right side. Wait a few seconds until the TV connects to your internet network. Now that we got our green check mark, it means it's now connected. Let's wait a bit more. It will present our next screen. Now the TV will check for any updates that may be available. So again, just wait. It's going on the internet searching for any updates. Next, we have to select in which place in your home your TV will be located. So select one of these. I'll select Office. Perfect. Now let's wait so it goes to the next step. Now they'll ask you to sign up into your Vizio account, which I suggest you do simply by pressing continue. They'll show you how to sign up into your account. This way you'll have access to many free stuff, apps and other stuff. Press continue. You can select set up on web or set up with the app. I think it's easier with the app. You just have to scan that QR code that is on the display, and they will guide you to download the Vizio app and then to sign in into your account. If you prefer setting up with a browser, just go on this website. This is what I'm doing on my PC right now. Go on vizio.com/setup, and on the page, it will simply ask you to enter those letters and numbers. And then once you've done this on the website, I'm telling you what I'm seeing, you'll have to log in or create an account. So I'll do this. All right, so I have logged in into my account using my PC, and right after I did this, the screen on my TV changed, and it showed this where I have to select accept all terms and conditions, go down and select accept on the lower right side. Then over here, I'll select accept as well. You absolutely need to do this if you want the apps to work out. And finally, over here, let's wait a few seconds. You'll be shown the main screen. Here you go. So we are on the main menu of your Vizio TV. On the top, you're going to have all the apps. And over here, we're going to have a few shortcuts.